In the fire service, we are called to several types of emergency calls. Some of these calls involve more technical training, such as rope rescues. In these technical rescue scenarios, there are multiple factors to consider. The priority is gaining access to the victim. Secondly is selecting the appropriate lowering and hauling systems required to complete the rescue safely. And lastly, delegating roles and responsibilities to the rescue team. The leadership is not always placed on the highest rank, but rather on the person with more experience and knowledge. Rescue positions are determined by the condition of the victim. Gaining access to victims in need of rescue is the first hurdle to cross. Where they are they injured, what equipment do I need to retrieve them, are all questions that should be asked first. I was involved in a low-angle rescue of a victim who wrecked off a 30-foot embankment. We needed several things at the vehicle, including extrication equipment, medical equipment, and the use of ropes to move the victim to safety in the waiting ambulance. Lowering and hauling systems can be simple or complex. It is always easier to start simple and build from there as needed. You may just need a rope to help guide you up and down an embankment safely, or a more complex hauling system may be required to haul both victim and rescuers from the rescue site to safety. As I previously mentioned, we utilize the hauling system on the wreck scene to move all the rescuers and the victim on a backboard up the embankment to the ambulance. Assigning roles and duties is just as important as determining how to gain access to the victim. Roles should be assigned based off experience, training, and the ability of the person to complete the task. While some rescues are more complex than others, the same principles should apply to assignment dictation, from the simple operation to the in-depth operation. Firemen are expected to answer every call, from fires, medical, and technical rescues. Behind the scenes, we are constantly challenging ourselves and continuing our education to provide the best quality service, no matter the situation.